Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty and my advent calendar bonanza extravaganza. It is now day 21, which means we are so close, so close to opening the big golden door on the Lookfantastic advent calendar. So because it is the 21st of December, that means that I will be unboxing the box number 21 and I am excited to get tucked in. I'm thinking like lip product because it's in a very square tube, which is like the outer packaging, but I'm thinking lip product. I could not have been more wrong. This is Delilah Brow Groom, a double-ended eyebrow groomer. The packaging is very elegant and rose gold. I assume that this is like a grooming tool, like a, I don't know, like an eyebrow shaper or something. This is double-ended eyebrow groomer. I've never heard of a company called Delilah before. I hope this isn't like a shade thing, because if it is, it's probably not going to match my eyebrows. Delilah Brow Groom double-ended eyebrow groomer. I love that kind of brown grey packaging. Okay, so you have a spoolie on one end. And so this like kind of reminds me of Anastasia Beverly Hills like Brow Wiz, but the flat one, not the pencil. I don't know what shade this is going to be. Okay. Oh, so you can do like a number of like different strokes with it, because it's like thicker on one side, so you get like a really thick line, or you can go in with the tip and just go very delicately. So this is actually quite smooth and quite nice. Like, definitely make different brush strokes and hair strokes with it. And then the spoolie obviously is standard and thick spoolie, and I like that. It's actually not too far off like a taupe colour for my eyebrows. I tend to go in quite darker with my eyebrows because of my roots being darker. So actually it's not too far off. This is definitely a passable product for me. I'm not too sure how like my friends would feel who have like ginger hair and they got this, or very dark hair and they got a shade like this. Perfect your arches with this creamy eyebrow pencil with a fine pencil tip to create natural hair-like strokes to fill sparse gaps and enhance depth. I will definitely give it credit that it like does create different strokes from that one crayon. So I'm very impressed with that because of the thickness and like the tip of the crayon, but it definitely creates hair-like stroke. I think it is just pure pot luck that I got a shade that is similar to mine, because it does look like the standard model on the Door 21 info booklet. So I imagine that some people with very fine, fair eyebrows or very dark eyebrows may not be too happy with this. Did you open Door 21 today? What did you think of the Lookfantastic box? Do you share my thoughts on if you got this as a brow product that you wouldn't be too pleased if you had very fair hair or if you had very dark hair? Because I imagine when you pay about £79 for this box, you expect things to be very either tailored or very general to hair type, because I imagine that a lot of people open that and have just gone, I'm just gonna give it away, which is so not the point of this box. So thank you for joining me for the 21st of December. We are getting very close to door number 25, that lovely golden box right there. I am very intrigued to see what is in the rest of this, and I will see you for tomorrow when we unbox the 22nd of December. Thank you for watching, guys.